In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data out of Zoho Books. Whether you're a business owner trying to have a handy backup of your financial data or simply organizing your records, exporting your data from Zoho Books is a straightforward process. Let's work through this step by step. First, you need to go to the specific module in Zoho Books that you want to export. Modules might include your invoices, items, or any other area containing the data you're interested in. Navigating directly to the module ensures that you are focusing on the right dataset and helps you streamline the export process without sifting through unnecessary information. Once you're in the desired module, look for the More button, or, alternatively, a hamburger icon in the top right corner of your screen. This button is key because it houses additional options not immediately visible. If you don't see the More button right away, the hamburger icon will often contain similar functionalities and hidden options. After finding the More button or hamburger icon, go ahead and click on it. From the menu that drops down, you will see an Export option. Selecting this means you're one step closer to getting your data out of Zoho Books and onto your local device. Next, you'll need to choose the format in which you want to export your data. Zoho Books offers a few options here, including CSV, XLS, and XLSX. These options are designed to be compatible with most spreadsheet applications, so feel free to select the one that best meets your needs or preferences, whether it's Excel, Google Sheets, or any other compatible software. Before clicking Export, consider if you need to apply any filters. Zoho Books allows you to filter data by setting specific date ranges or other criteria. This is particularly useful if you don't want to export your entire dataset, but rather a focused selection, such as records from the last quarter or transactions involving a certain client. Customization doesn't stop there. You can tailor which columns you wish to include in your export by selecting a predefined template, or by creating a new one if your needs are unique. To set up a new column arrangement, click on +Add New under Fields in Export File. This way, your exported data will be in the exact format you need. Finally, you're almost done. Simply click Export to initiate the process. At this stage, Zoho Books also gives you the option to password protect your file, adding an extra layer of security if your data is sensitive or confidential. Once you've reviewed everything and are ready, your data will start exporting, arriving shortly in your chosen format, ready for you to download and save as needed. There you have it, a clear and methodical way to export your data from Zoho Books, ensuring it is well organized and securely stored for future use.